Hey guys, welcome back to another video of our college placement series, and in today's video we are covering NIT Kurukshetra. NIT Kurukshetra was ranked 7th in 2019's NIRF ranking among all the NITs. So let's get started with the statistics. So this data is available on their official website, you can check it yourself. So let me just explain you. So here two pie charts are given. These are CTC offered for postgraduate courses, these are CTC offered for undergraduate courses. In postgraduate courses, 25% of the CTC was less than 4 lakh, 34% were 4 to 6 lakhs, 38% were 6 to 10 lakhs, and more than 10 lakhs was only 3%. And you can see in the UG that less than 4 lakh was only 11%, and most of the students got 4 to 6 lakhs or 6 to 10 lakhs. This is 31% and 39%. So that makes total of 70% of the students got 4 lakhs to 10 LPA. And this 19% got more than 10 LPA. So it clearly shows that the packages offered in BTech were better than the MTech. Where is domain-wise splitting, which sector visited and which sector recruited? The most is IT with 34.79%, and there were 30% core branches, core companies that recruited. So this is pretty good because 30% core companies is a pretty good figure. Analytics and consulting were 14%, research and education on 8%, others were 7.33%. So there's UG placement statistics. So this data all I am showing is of 2017-18 session. The data of 2018-19 session isn't published yet. So let's check at the UG program. In computer science, total 81 eligible students were there, 104 offers were made and all got placed, and the package range was 3.7 LPA to 28 LPA, and the median package was 9 LPA. Average package 11.79 LPA. We just take a look at the average packages. In IT, 80 were eligible, 91 offers were made, 78 students got placed. So 2 students didn't got placed, but few students got more than 1 offers, and the average package was 12.30. You can see that surprisingly IT had better package than computer science. In EC department, 82 were eligible, all got placed, and 103 offers were made. So you can see plenty of students got more than 1 job, and the average package was 7.49. Mechanical engineering, out of 88, 81 got placed with 6.38 average package. And let me check production and industrial engineering. Here you can see the maximum package was 21 LPA, which is pretty good, and the average package was 6.20. Out of 43, 35 got placed. In electrical engineering, out of 100, 84 got placed with 7.09 average package. In civil engineering, out of 92, 59 got placed. So the poorest placement was in civil engineering department, and the average salary was 6.72. Total 556 students were in UG in 2017-18 batch, and out of 566, 500 got placed with average package of 8.51. Now let's move on to PG statistics. Under civil engineering, these are the specialization: transportation, soil mechanics, environmental, structure, water resource engineering. You can see eligible students are almost 11, 16, 18, and only 3, 1, 2, 3 students got placed, and the package is pretty low. You can see 3.36, 4.12. So in MT civil engineering, the placement is pretty poor, I would say. In computer science, let's take a look. In computer engineering, out of 24, 24 got placed with 7.38 average package. So the computer science has pretty good placement. In cyber security specialization, out of 10, 8 got placed with 4.98. Let's move on to electronics and communication. In electronics and communication, out of 14, only 6 got placed with 8.31 LPA. In electrical engineering, there are 3 specialization: control system, power system, power electronics and drives. And in all the specialization, in power system, no one got placed, control system only 1 got placed, and in power electronics and drives only 2 got placed, which is really poor, because this institute is ranked 6th in NIRF among all the NITs, but the MTech placement is really poor. You can see here. In mechanical engineering, out of 15, 2 got placed, out of 14, 5 got placed. In machine design and thermal engineering, out of 20, only 4 got placed, and the salary you can see is pretty poor. So there's that. In physics, there are 2 specialized in instrumentation and nanotechnology, only one student got placed from each. And there's School of VLSI. So let me tell you one thing, the VLSI specialization isn't under EC department, it is under School of VLSI. So VLSI design, out of 21, 5 got placed, only 5 got placed with average salary 4.14, which is pretty poor for VLSI. And in embedded system, out of 14, 6 got placed with 5.89. You can see embedded system has surprisingly better placement than VLSI. School of Biomedical Engineering, out of 11, only 1 got placed. School of Material Science, out of 11, only 1 got placed. School of Renewable Energy and Efficiency, out of 19, 0 got placed. In MBA, out of 32, 18 got placed with 5.02 LPA. Computer Application, MCA, out of 73, 60 got placed. So there's 429 PG students, out of them only 150 got placed. So you can see the difference between BTech and PG courses placement. There's comparative statistics of different years. In 2015-16, this was for UG. So the number of selected students is this gray bar, and you can see in 2017 number of selected students was almost the same. In 2018 it has increased a bit, but the number of eligible students has also increased. In PG you can see that 2015-16 the placement was really poor. In 2016-17 it increased a bit, but in 2017-18 again decreased. So guys, that's all for NIT Kurukshetra placement analysis. I hope you liked this video. If you want me to cover any other institute, please comment down below. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.